Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can resize an image into a frame in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank image template. Right now, probably you might have tried to adding a frame and you have also added an image into the frame, but now what is happening is that image is not getting fit inside the frame. Right now you want to resize that particular image, right? So how you can do that? So for example, I'm just going to elements and here I'm just searching for frame. Okay, let me click on see all, and for example I have chosen this image, right? I have chosen this frame, or you can choose another one, right? For example, let me choose another frame so that you can better understand, right? I have chosen this frame, right? Let me change the background of the color so it could be properly visible to you, right? Now we are going to elements and here I'm just searching for pet. I'm going to all, and here in the photos I have clicked on see all, right? Now let me add an image into the frame, right? Now coming on to the resizing part of an image, if image doesn't get properly fitted, you just need to double click on that particular image after putting it inside the frame, and then you can simply change the size from here, right? You can also drag and drop, right? You can also drag the image as per the part that you want to show into the frame, right? And then you can simply increase the size from the corners, right? So it's done. You can try each and every corner if any corner doesn't work, right? So in this manner you can simply resize an image into a frame in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.